Hello and welcome. Today I will demonstrate on how to add a supplier on the procurement management system. So to begin, let's press maintenance, then supplier. Let's press the add button, enter the company name, its address, contact number, and its registered email. You also have the option of adding the information tax clearance and its field JEPs. On the registration, you may base it on the PILJEPs. After encoding, you may save the supplier.